a different way I can describe this. The production feels like the band is recording in a tent in the top of a moon in the middle of a blizzard storm. That's the only way I can describe the production on this album. Besides that, the production does hurt some of the songs. The entire album feels less immediate than the classic, but still there is a lot of energy that makes it interesting. Highlights for me will be the amazing Mountains of Might and Blizzard Beasts. Unfortunately, due to the production levels, this one drops down to a C tier.